This is a dars al-khamis ashar of Kitab Adawat al-Rabt, lesson 15 of the connectors. And we are looking at drill 5, Tamreen Khamsa, of this review lesson. This lesson 15, reviews lessons 11 through 14 of Kitab Adawat al-Rabt. And in this drill, you are going to provide an answer to the question provided using the connectors. Now, this question, you have to answer the question at its face value. This is not necessarily asking you about yourself, although some of the questions might ask you about yourself. So, for example, if one of the questions includes a name, you just pretend like you know that name, and you respond with some adequate response using a connector. So I'm going to translate these questions for you, and then you need to provide answers to each of them with an Arabic response using the connectors. So we have number one, فيما ترغب أن تتخصص في دراستك ولماذا? In what do you desire to specialize in your studies and why? Number two, من هو أحب كاتب عربي إليك? Who's your favorite or the most beloved Arab writer to you? What's your favorite Arab writer? وما السبب في ذلك? And what's the reason for that? ثلاثة, لماذا عين محمد في هذه الوظيفة الهامة? Why was Muhammad appointed to this important job? أربعة, لماذا وافقت اللجنة على مشروعه دون تردد? Why did the council agree on this project without any hesitation? Number five, هل قبلت الجامعة الطلب المقدم من هذا الأستاذ ولماذا? Did the university accept the application of this professor, and why? ستة, ماذا كانت نتيجة ذهابه إلى المطار متأخرا? What happened, what was the result of his going to the airport late? سبعة, لماذا رقي محمد بعد سنة من تعيينه في الشركة بينما لم يرقى علي وقد مضى عليه 5 سنوات في نفس الشركة? Why was Ahmed promoted after 1 year of his appointment at the company while Ali was not promoted and he's spent 5 years at the same company? 8, لماذا هي غير سعيدة في حياتها في هذه المدينة? Why is she not happy with her life in this city? 9, ما أهم ما تشتهر به مدينتك? What is the most important thing that your city is known for? 10, لماذا اختار صديقك أن يعمل في الترجمة? Why did your friend choose to work in translation? 11, هل تفضل دراسة اللغة الإنجليزية أم اليابانية ولماذا? Do you prefer studying English or Japanese and why? 12, هل تفضل الدراسة في جامعة في بلدك أم في بلد أجنبي ولماذا? Do you prefer studying at a university in your own country or in a foreign country and why? So there you have all of these 12 questions that I've helped you understand, and now you need to provide answers in Arabic using the connectors from lessons 11 through 14. مع السلامة.